Good morning, friends. This is Rakesh, and welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Economic Knowledge in 10 Minutes. फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग जो कंसेप्ट लर्न करने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम है मोनोपोली। और हमको सबको पता है कि मोनोपोली इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट इन इकोनॉमिक्स। तो आज अगले कुछ 7 to 8 मिनट में हम लोग मोनोपोली का मीनिंग, उसके टाइप्स, उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट उसके रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल लर्न करने जा रहे हैं। आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग ऑन दैट एग्जाम्पल you will remember this concept for longer time. Okay, so let's start to enjoy the concept of monopoly. So in economics mainly we have two type of market: perfect competition and imperfect competition. ओके, एंड इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में तीन अलग अलग मार्केट आते हैं जिसमें मोनोपोली है, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन है एंड ओलिगोपोली है। ओके, सो याद रखो कि मोनोपोली इट इज वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन। ओके, इन इकोनॉमिक्स मार्केट डिवाइडेड इन टू पार्ट: परफेक्ट कंपटीशन और इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन। Okay, perfect competition does not have other types, subtypes. Imperfect competition having three subtypes: monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. So, let's start to discuss on meaning of monopoly. हमको सबको पता है कि mono means single and poly means sellers. In short, in which market single seller is there, that market is called monopoly. It's a very much simple. Okay. The definition of monopoly given by Edward Chamberlain. Edward Chamberlain, who discovered the concept of monopolistic competition, or I can say the monopolistic competition, this market introduced by Edward Chamberlain along with Mrs. John Robinson. Okay, so Edward Chamberlain ने क्या कहा है मोनोपोली के बारे में? मोनोपोली is said to exist when one firm is the sole producer or seller of product which has no close substitutes। मतलब मार्केट में सोल प्रोड्यूसर है, सोल सप्लायर है और बायर को प्रोडक्ट क्लोज सब्स्टिट्यूट्स अवेलेबल नहीं है। सो वॉट एवर प्रोडक्ट ऑफर बाय मोनोपोलिस्ट, बायर हैज टू परचेज इट। ओके, बायर्स डू नॉट हैव अदर ऑप्शन। देन सेकेंड डेफिनेशन गिवन बाय H.L. Ahuja. Okay, according to him, a monopoly refer to a single firm which has control over the supply of product which has no close substitutes. So from both definition we can remember 3 points. Monopoly means single seller, correct, sole supplier, or you can say sole producer, and no close substitute available to buyer. ये 3 points it's a very important to define the concept of monopoly. Okay, next examples, monopoly के real life example. First example है LIC. LIC had started by Government of India in 1956. Since 1956 to 1991 LIC had monopoly power in insurance sector. Now why up to only 1991? So 1991 we accepted LPG policy, new economic policy, liberalization, privatization, globalization. So we start to permit foreign company and private company to enter in Indian insurance market. But before that, LIC in insurance market, life insurance and GIC in general insurance had monopoly power. IRCTC, that is nothing but Indian Railway, and 100% railway from Indian Railway only. Private railway is not available in India. Nestle company had a huge controversy in 2015 as far as Maggi noodles. Okay, if I am not wrong, it was Maggi and it has huge controversy. But आज भी उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है सेरिलैक 96.5% मार्केट सेरिलैक कैप्चर करता है। सेरिलैक इट्स अ बेबी प्रोडक्ट, उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ विटामिन ए, विटामिन सी, जिंक, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन है। and out of total market, 96% market captured by one product. So Nestle company still having monopoly power as per as Cerelac supply. Okay, so these products supplied by Nestle company. Coal India, 82% market captured by Coal India in coal supply. RBI, next example is the RBI. So we all know that RBI is a bankers banks and RBI control entire Indian banking system. So RBI having monopoly power in banking system, okay, because of government permission, government license. Microsoft company, one of the important IT company. Microsoft company, you can remember Windows operating system provided by Microsoft company. So they having a control on IT sectors. Google, we have different search engines, but out of all search engines, 75% market captured by Google. So Google is equal to search engine. Okay, so in short, Google is very near to monopoly, though it is not monopoly. Even Nestle, Coal India, uh, Microsoft, but we can call it a near monopoly. Intel company provide a microprocessor that chips, and they capture a huge number of markets. Okay, I can say higher number of market captured by Intel company. Then OPEC company, OPEC, sorry, it's a not company, it's a group of countries. Okay, 15 कंट्रीज का ग्रुप है ओपेक और उसका फुल फॉर्म है ऑयल एंड पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज. Okay, out of total oil reserves, you can see that 79% reserves with OPEC and 37% market share captured by OPEC. So these are some example of monopoly. I hope that you are getting this example and you will remember this concept properly with the help of this example. Okay, so after discussion on example, now we are going to discuss on characteristics. First characteristics, firm is itself an industry. So in perfect competition, firms and industry both are different. Industry is nothing but group of firms. But in case of monopoly, single firm is there. Okay, single firm is there, it means firm and industry both are same. Okay, I hope you are getting this point. In perfect competition, large number of firms are available. So when all firms come together, it is called industry. But in case of monopoly, single seller is there, single firm is there, so that is called as the industry. Single firm and industry both are same. Point number 2, price maker. So monopolist, single seller, having control on supply and he can charge his own price. Monopolist is a price maker, is not a price taker. Monopolist can charge lower price or higher price, but most of the time they charge higher price to get maximum profit. Even if you remember discrimination, price discrimination is possible in monopoly market only. Okay, price discrimination is nothing but lower price for one customer and higher price for another customer. That is called price discrimination and that is possible only in monopoly market. Barriers to entry. So monopolist may create a different type of barriers directly or indirectly to entry of new firms. Friends, it is not that easy to enter in market when monopoly is there, because monopolist might create technological barriers, legal barriers, natural barriers, okay, through copyright, patents. So there are huge barriers to entry of new firms. Next point is a very important point, downward sloping demand curve. Monopolist always having downward sloping demand curve from left to right, but it is not similar to monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition having flatter demand curve which is also called relatively elastic, and Monopoly market having steeper demand curve, which is also called relatively inelastic. See, monopoly mean steeper and monopolistic competition mean flatter. Now what is the reason? So reason is very simple. When price changes in monopoly market, when price changes, demand changes less proportionally. I can take simple example. Suppose price is 20 rupees and price reduces from rupees 20 to rupees 10. When price reduces, demand increases from 10 to 12. Now here you can see that price reduces from rupees 20 to 10, but demand increases from rupees 10 from 10 to 12. So only increment is 2. So whenever there is a changes in price, less changes in demand. That's why this is relatively inelastic. I hope you are getting it, and that is also called steeper demand curve. So downward sloping steeper demand curve exists in monopoly market. Next, no close substitute available. So whatever product available in market, we have to purchase it, specifically consumer and buyers. Full control over supply. So monopolist may have control on supply. Okay, and so these are all characteristics of monopoly. Last slide, that is called the types of monopoly. So first type is legal monopoly. Legal monopoly created due to copyright, patent, okay, trade symbol, trade secret. So LIC, RBI, IRCTC, Coal India. Already we have discussed on this example, and these are example of legal monopoly. Technological monopoly, you can take example of Intel, Sony company for sound clarity, Microsoft company, Google. All these are technological monopoly. Simple monopoly mean where price discrimination is not there. That is called simple monopoly. Okay, simple monopoly is nothing but same price to every customer. Price discrimination is not there. That is called simple monopoly. And opposite points is the discriminatory monopoly. Discriminatory monopoly is nothing but lower price to one customer and higher price to another customer. Okay, here we can take one example of MSCB, Maharashtra State Electricity Board. They charges lower price for consumers and higher price for producer. See that electricity we can use for own consumption or we can use for production of goods and services. That is called business purpose. For business purpose, higher charges, and for consumption purpose, lower charges. So this can be an example of discriminating monopoly. And last, natural monopoly. Natural monopoly created due to natural resources. Okay, OPEC. It is an example of natural monopoly because OPEC had monopoly power in market, especially oil supply, crude oil supply. Nowadays they having 37% market share, but once upon a time they had a monopoly in the supply of crude oil. So these are the different types of monopoly. Friends, I hope that whatever we discussed in 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, something from this discussion definitely you get it, and please share your comment and feedbacks for more improvement, specifically content improvements. Okay, I am waiting for your feedback. Reply in chat box. Thank you very much.